Tini Arkepur Bwskango Pratibadi Kalamni editor Anolroy Chodhury bini kaisa case hearing o thangmani case hearing paioi kutni ongkhormani jorao Jasim Uddin ni khoroksa samung sitra khainai bini tidulmung bai kaisa group Anolroy Chodhury no lama kasui bono puila physical assault tei sikri chokro Khlaimani logi logi bini yakni mobile segi naharka 20 lakh rang riya hangkangke bothari khibnani bo humki rejakha o party mungno जों Khumulwng press club balaike sejamung sawo oboni logi logi police ni bokhaktui home department ni bokhaktui dakti strict action naharnani bagui aboni logi logi samung sitra khainai rokno dakti arrest khlaioi karak bus thumjaknani bagui जों Khumulwng press club strongly demand khlaio.
Today, an unjustifiable untoward incident took place inside the RK4 court premises in Udaipur. We stand in solidarity with Mr. Anolroy Chodhury, editor of Pratibadi Kalam, and along with him an advocate and one of the journalists. Today there was a case hearing in Udaipur court premises, and after hearing the case, when they came out, a miscreant in the name of Jasim Uddin and his group, they started assaulting using abusive words and attempt to murder threats were given against Anolroy Chodhury. And the culprits and the miscreants, they also demanded 20 lakhs rupees as extortion of money, which is illegal. And such kind of incident which took place inside the court premises where the people goes to seek justice, it is really alarming situations. We Khumulwng Press Club, we demand justice. We demand justice. We want the people, especially the media fraternity and all the press clubs of the Tripura, and we seek immediate action from the police, from the home department, so that this kind of incident can be avoided in later period.